Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both apps so Kontakt loads quickly. Open Kontakt, authorize libraries, then open Garageband and enable audio units and preferences. Once done, create a new software instrument track and choose the external instrument or O slot, because Garageband uses audio units for Kontakt. Make sure to set the track's input and output routing so Kontakt audio routes back into Garageband. This prevents silent tracks and saves time, and you can now load a Kontakt instrument into the O slot for immediate use. Now load an instrument inside Kontakt and verify the program responds to MIDI. You should map keys and zones if needed, because Kontakt's internal routing sends samples to specific output channels. Once done, set Garageband's audio buffer to a practical size, typically 128 to 512 samples, so latency doesn't wreck live playing. Make sure to assign the MIDI channel and enable track monitoring in Garageband, and then play to confirm sound. If you use multiple Kontakt outputs, route each. Finish by recording MIDI into Garageband and using Kontakt as the sound engine. You control dynamics and articulation there. Once done, edit MIDI notes, add Garageband effects and balance levels, use Kontakt inserts for instrument-level shaping, but rely on Garageband for master processing. Make sure to save a project template that includes your Kontakt routing. If you run into silence or dropout, check that audio units are enabled. Confirm MIDI routing to the correct channel, and lower CPU load by increasing the buffer size. This usually fixes the issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.